Our unique Rip-Clip mechanism allows the wearer of the rucksack to disengage the straps in the event of the rucksack becoming entangled or snagging against machinery or moving objects. The rucksack is available in high-vis guard orange for rail use, which is also network rail approved, as well as high-vis yellow. The reflective silver strips are encapsulated with clear PVC for improved visibility in wet conditions. So how does the Rip-Clip rucksack work? Just secure the chest strap by closing the central chest strap buckle. The quick release mechanism is ready to deploy if needed. The rucksack is simply released by a sharp tug of the chest strap away from the body. The clips can only be reassembled in one way. This is indicated by the arrows on the male and female buckles, thus ensuring the quick release mechanism is ready should it be required.